Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be creating a song recommendation system using Word2Vec. Now there are many advanced recommender algorithms available, but in this video we will be using the basic one to understand the concepts. Do let me know in the comments if you want to see how to create recommender system using any other algorithm. So let's jump right into the video. This video will be divided into four parts. First, what is a recommender system? Now you can't solve a problem without understanding the problem in detail, right? Then we will collect the data. We will be using open source data so you can replicate it in your environment as well. Next is training the model. No worries, as for Word2Vec you don't require GPU. Lastly, we will see how to query the system. Now what is a recommendation system? A recommendation system is an AI driven system that suggests relevant items to users based on their preferences, behaviors, or content similarities. It is widely used in platforms like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, and YouTube to personalize user experiences. Suppose you watch a comedy movie on Netflix. The next recommended movie is also from same genre or same type. These suggestions are made using Netflix recommendation algorithm. These systems use the historical data of other users who watched the same content and what they watched next. Then same content is recommended to other users as well. Our song recommendation system will also work on the same principle. We will be using playlists created by other users. Whenever a song of a playlist is queried, we will show other songs of the same playlist, assuming playlists are created by users who like to listen group of songs together using Word2Vec. Next step is data. For our project, we will be using open source data primarily from Cornell University called Playlist Dataset. This dataset contains many playlists specifying all possible genres and getting playlists from all possible stations. You can download this data for free from this website. In this dataset, we will be using two main files, train.txt and songhash.txt. First and second line of train.txt file contains the metadata of the file. Starting from line third is the actual playlist data where each song is represented by its integer ID. Song hash file contains the mapping of these IDs of the song to its title and artist name. Now let's code it. We first get train data from the API. We then remove the first two lines from the data as it is metadata. Then we clean the data by removing playlist which contains only one song. This is done as we require at least two songs in a playlist to show suggestions, hence we remove playlists which contain only one song. Next we fetch songhash.txt file from the API. This data will be used to convert song IDs to actual song name and artist name to show it to user. Now comes the training part. In this video, I won't be explaining Word2Vec as there are better people and articles available online which you can refer for great understanding of Word2Vec. Some well-known articles links are provided in the description which you can visit. Now coming to the training part, we will be using Word2Vec module from Gensim to train. And funny enough, it's a one-line code. In this case, the model is being trained on playlist data to learn relationships between songs based on their co-occurrence in playlist. So in this function, you provide the training data, vector size that is a dimensionality of the vector space in which song embeddings will be represented, window size which controls the context size when learning relationships, negative samples to use in negative sampling optimization techniques, and lastly workers to specify how many CPU threads we can use for training. And after a few seconds, our model is trained. Now is the inference time. When we simply ask the most similar song directly to train model, it returns a list of similar songs with its similarity score. We can also create a small function to convert this returned ID to the actual name of the song and get a well formatted result using song hash text file. And there you have it. We successfully created a song recommendation system using Word2Vec. This code link will be present in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe so that I can make more videos in the future. See you in the next one.